Lights, camera, action!
So if you're a YouTube content creator, these are the things that you want to watch out for before you even start filming. Because if you don't watch out for these, then either you redo your filming for another, 2 hours? Or you edit for like 8 hours because you have to cover up for mistakes. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D. If this is your first time, my goal is to empower you to feel good about yourself while building a strong social media presence. Nothing is perfect, especially when you're trying to film, you're trying to put out a good video out there. You want to do your best. And yet, I know, no matter how much we do our best, we will forget things. And before we know it, filming is done and we don't want to refilm. I don't like refilming. When I do a refilm of the same episode, sometimes it's not as raw because it's a little bit more refined, and I feel like the first one is always just very inherently you. So our goal is to film the best possible way for the first time. So here's my checklist. Take note because you probably want to have this checklist also before you hit record. Lights check. Make sure they're all set, and my settings are permanent. Your lights are on. I have 2 ring lights and 1 studio light. You see I have a little bit of a yellow soft tone because it's coming from my vanity light and my lampshade, and I have some lighting behind me for ambiance. I like ambiance. Video check, meaning to say my video is clear. I have enough headroom here. You know, when you edit and you want to zoom in and zoom out. So, and that symmetry is good. Not exactly at the center. I think I'm at the center. I shouldn't be. I'm gonna adjust this, okay? And then I have my audio check, my mic. This is my mic, my Zoom mic. I make sure that it's connected to my charger. The worst that can happen is you're done and half of your video has a good audio and the other half has none, right? Using a separate mic, a separate audio is way better because it's easier to edit, it's easier to clean, and also it's very close to my mouth. Camera is pretty far, right? Because the lapel catches the sound of your hair. Make sure it's away from your lapel. And my thumbnail check, meaning to say before I start talking, I'm gonna already take some. I am filming, this is a video, so I'm going to freeze a little bit, and that's perfect because I know the topic. My topic is about filming checklists, so. Part of my checklist is my questionnaire. I should not forget that I'm supposed to answer a question, that I'm supposed to solve a problem. So I should never forget that. I should not just keep talking. I should solve someone's problem. So what I normally do is I check before I film and after I film to make sure I did not forget anything. Like film my B-roll. I've filmed my B-rolls earlier. As much as possible, you want your B-rolls to be personalized or originally yours. Next, make sure you have your script ready. I write my script beforehand. The script is usually very thorough, and this is what goes on my blog, on my website. What I do is I email my script to myself, and then that way it's easy for me to just scroll through my script on my tablet. It's pink. So I just scroll through, and then that way I know, okay, that's it. So I have my tablet right here. And then of course hit record for the camera and my mic. Okay, so I hope this checklist will also provide you with a good checklist, and then that way you do not forget those really important things before you actually start talking. Talk about things you like to do. I love the theater. Okay? If you're enjoying my video, if you find it useful, don't forget to hit the like button, and even better is to subscribe. And then that way you can follow through the tips, the experiences that I can share with you. And together we can have an amazing YouTube content creation process. And of course, the other social media platforms like Instagram, which is one of my favorites. Okay, so I have a blog. Don't forget, drop by. That's JackieD.com, and watch out for my freebies. I'm making them on the side because I have to film every week. So one day I'll have freebies for you. Take care, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.